It's spelled J-P-H-U-N-Q. You look us up on the website, funkproductions.net. But I want to put this plug in the air one time, just so y'all know we fuck with everybody. No ifs, ands, or buts. If you want to do something, a feature, whatever the case may be, holler at us. We here. We got our CDs on deck. Diamond Star Russell is one of our artists. And just to let y'all know, she holds Cincinnati down. If you go on YouTube right now and type her name in, we got a video from a conversation with Fantasia. Diamond had done some singing for her at Bentley's Nightlife Friday, and Fantasia picking her up for a background singer to work her way up. So I want to make sure y'all know Diamond out here working, man. We ain't bullshitting around, but we gonna go ahead and go to the single No Hook, man. Let's get it. When I say no, I want y'all to say hook. No, no. That's what's up.
New music Mondays, man. We got 4 DJs in the building. If y'all artists want to network, we got 4 DJs in the building. DJ Powerhouse, DJ Press Down, DJ Cuban Links, DJ So Sincere, man. If y'all artists really trying to network, man, when you get on this motherfucking stage, dog, holla at these DJs. Oh, what's up to the camera, man? Fuck y'all, hold on. Get the picture, nigga. Hold on, get another one. Oh, the dreads looking right as shit, nigga. Hold on. Am I looking cool as fuck, though? Like an Instagram filter on that bitch. Look like an Instagram filter. Hold on, hold on. also in the building, man. She just got them sung in front of Fantasia, man. Show love to my homegirl, man.
Lavender. streets deeper. I rap, but the streets deeper. I think I'm hearing voices. The slave owners, the gatekeepers. I rap, but the streets deeper. The streets deeper. The streets deeper. I rap, but the streets deeper. Lethal venom, neurotoxins, or venomous. Percocet, oxycontin, subconscious, crack cocaine, fast money, can't no dope, easy pain, get the fast lane, running in the rain, God, baby, the colors to the sun.
Monday night, dog. That's how we turn up, dog. New Music Mondays. 404 West Pike Street, Covington, Kentucky. At the Tanzen House right now. New Music Mondays, man. I go by Young Steph. Salute my twin brother Steph Sneeze. Low D in the building. They just call me Rob in the building. Straight up, man. A Monday night, dog. Get the ladies.